If you don't like chaos but still love your kids, then do back to school prep like a pro. Let's dive in. First up, Crunchy Moms, listen up. Pack those organic, gluten-free, dairy-free, fun-free lunches like a boss. Bonus Mom, rock that carpool karaoke. Your minivan's a stage, baby. Next, a pro tip for all you sleep-deprived parents. Label everything. Trust me, Sharpies are your best friend. You might forget your kid's name after a summer of chaos, but their lunchbox won't. And for the ultimate parent life hack, Amazon Prime. Because running out of school supplies in the first week is a rite of passage. 2-day shipping? More like 2-day sanity saver. Feeling overwhelmed? Just remember, you survived summer. You can handle anything, even 7 a.m. wake-up calls. So, pour yourself a gigantic cup of coffee, put on your superhero cape, and embrace the back-to-school craziness. You've got this, and we've got you. Stay tuned for more hilarious tips and tricks. And remember, it's all about maintaining your happiness, one chaotic day at a time. Catch you in the next one, parents. Until then, stay sane and keep laughing.